Kgabagare Makoko a sepolotiki kwa palamenteng a tlhagisitse maikutlo a farologaneng ka ga dipholo tsa voutu ya pegelo ya setlhopa se se ikemetseng e ka ga morero wa Phala Phala.
There is no reason to go back. The ANC will still abuse its majority. We need an independent court of law to come to a determination. What was the point in establishing a committee that is independent, that says to you there is some questions to be answered, and instead of going to look for the for the answers, we run away from looking for the answers.
I think the ANC have made a terrible blunder today, and it's going to follow them all the way into 2024. Just as Nkandla was a rotting corpse on the back of Jacob Zuma, so too is Phala Phala going to be a rotting corpse on the back of President Ramaphosa going into the 2024, facing a far more united opposition.
The ANC has voted that Mr. Ramaphosa is actually above the constitution, he's above the rule of law and must not be scrutinized. You'll remember, Lulam, a few months ago, there was an ad hoc committee that was proposed by Parliament so that to investigate all matters relating to Phala Phala. The ANC said no. We've got the Section 89, which is another process in which we were proposing to investigate the very same matters. The ANC again says no.